बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सारे खैरियत से होंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हिस्ट्री क्लास 6 जो कि पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक का नया कोर्स है, इसके यूनिट नंबर 2 की आज क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स करेंगे। इन क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स में मैंने वो वाले क्वेश्चंस शामिल किए हैं, उनके आंसर्स बनाए हैं उन क्वेश्चंस के जो यूनिट के आखिर में दिए गए हैं, यानी जो एक्सरसाइज में दिए गए हैं। लेकिन इनके अलावा भी मैंने एक्स्ट्रा यानी इजाफी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस भी बनाए हैं। तो इन सब को आप लोगों ने पढ़ना है। फिर आखिर में मैं आप लोगों को व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी दे रहा हूँ, अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर हो, क्योंकि अगर आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स अगर PDF फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो आप उस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर मुझे डायरेक्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा। ये छोटा सा काम है जो आप लोगों ने करना है, फिर मैं आप लोगों को PDF फॉर्मेट में ये क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स भेज दूंगा। तो इस यूनिट नंबर 2 का नाम है पर्शियन, ग्रीक एंड रोमन सिविलाइजेशंस। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। अच्छा, तो पहले नंबर पे है गिव शॉर्ट आंसर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज साइरस द ग्रेट इन पर्शियन सिविलाइजेशन। तो इसका आंसर है साइरस द ग्रेट वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द पर्शियन एम्पायर। ही यूनाइटेड द मेडीज एंड पर्शियंस एंड रूल्ड वाइजली विद जस्टिस एंड टॉलरेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हेन डिड अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट बिगन हिज कंक्वेस्ट ऑफ द पर्शियन एम्पायर। इसका आंसर है अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट बिगन हिज कंक्वेस्ट ऑफ द पर्शियन एम्पायर इन 334 BCE. Question number 3. What is meant by the term agora in ancient Greek civilization? तो इसका आंसर है agora means a public place or a marketplace in ancient Greece where people met, traded and discussed public matters. Question number 4. Write the names of two main cities of Greece. Answer. The two main cities of Greece were Athens and Sparta. Question number 5. What were Olympic Games? Answer. The Olympic Games were sports competitions held at Olympia in ancient Greece every 4 years in honor of the god Zeus. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है अब राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन डिटेल्स। Question number 1. Analyze the formation of the Persian, Greek and Roman civilization. Answer. The Persian, Greek and Roman civilizations were three great ancient civilizations that influenced world history. The Persian civilization was founded by Cyrus the Great in the 6th century BCE. It united a large area from India to Asia Minor and became famous for strong administration and tolerance toward other cultures. The Greek civilization developed in small city-states like Athens and Sparta. The Greeks loved art, philosophy, learning, and democracy. They made great progress in science, architecture, and politics. The Roman civilization started in Italy. At first, Rome was a monarchy, but later it became a republic and then an empire. Romans built roads, bridges, and grand buildings and spread law and order across Europe. These civilizations laid the foundation of modern government, architecture, and culture. Question number 2. Describe the social and political activities of the Persian, Greek, and Roman people. Answer. Each of these civilizations had an organized society and active political life. In Persian society, the king was powerful and ruled through governors called satraps. The people followed the Zoroastrian religion and lived peacefully under fair laws. The Greeks were known for democracy, especially in Athens, where citizens could vote and take part in government. Social life included sports, art, drama, and philosophy. The Romans had a republican system in which citizens elected senators and magistrates. Roman society valued discipline, loyalty, and law. They enjoyed theaters, baths, and sports like chariot races. All three civilizations were well organized, active, and contributed to modern political ideas. Question number 3. Write a note on relations between Greeks and Romans. Answer. The Greeks and Romans had close cultural and political relations. The Roman admired Greek art, literature, and philosophy. After conquering Greece, they adopted many Greek customs, gods, and architecture. Greek teachers and scholars worked in Roman schools, and the Greek language and ideas spread throughout the Roman Empire. Although the Romans became politically stronger, they respected and learned from Greek culture. Thus, both civilizations influenced each other and created a shared heritage that shaped European civilization. Question number 4. Who was Alexander the Great in list three significant victories of him? Answer. Alexander the Great was the king of Macedonia, Greece, and one of the greatest conquerors in history. He was the student of Aristotle and became king at a young age. He began his conquest of the Persian Empire in 334 BCE and built one of the largest empires in ancient times. Three significant victories of Alexander were: Number 1. Battle of Granicus, 334 BCE. His first major victory against the Persians. Battle of Assus, 333 BCE. He defeated King Darius III of Persia. Battle of Gaugamela, 331 BCE. This victory ended the Persian Empire. Battle of Alexander's conquests spread Greek culture, art, and language across Asia and Africa. Question number 5. How did Rome develop into a republic? Describe. Answer. In the beginning, Rome was ruled by kings. The last king, Tarquinius Superbus, was cruel and unjust, so the people rebelled and removed him in 509 BCE. After that, Rome became a republic, meaning the people chose their representatives to govern instead of having a king. The Romans established a senate and elected consuls who managed the state. This system gave citizens a voice in government and introduced the idea of law, justice, and equality. The Roman Republic later expanded and became one of the most powerful political systems of the ancient world. Question number 6. Compare the architecture of Persian, Greeks, and Romans. Answer. The Persians, Greeks, and Romans were all great builders, but their architectural styles were different. यहाँ पे civilization है, फिर यहाँ पे main features of architecture. तो पहले नंबर पे है Persian. अच्छा, build grand palaces like Persepolis with tall columns, stone carvings, and beautiful gardens. Their buildings showed royalty and power. अच्छा, ग्रीक का किस तरह था? फेमस फॉर टेम्पल्स लाइक दी पार्थेनन्स decorated with columns and sculptures. अच्छा, Greek buildings were known for beauty, proportion, and balance. अच्छा, रोमन का किस तरह था? Built roads, bridges, aqueducts, amphitheater, and domes like the Parthenon. They used arches and concrete, showing strength and engineering skill. All three civilizations left behind remarkable monuments that still inspire architecture today. अच्छा, अब है critical thinking questions. Question number 1. How did Persia, Greek, and Roman civilizations differ in their political organizations and values? Answer. The Persian, Greek, and Roman civilization had different political systems and values. The Persian Empire was ruled by a powerful king monarchy. The king had complete control and appointed governors called satraps to manage provinces. Their values were based on loyalty, discipline, and justice. The Greek civilization had dependent city-states like Athens and Sparta. Athens practiced democracy where citizens could take part in government, while Sparta focused on military strength. Their values were freedom, knowledge, and courage. The Roman civilization first had kings, then became a republic where citizens elected representatives. Later, it turned into an empire under emperors. Romans valued law, duty, and order. Thus, Persians followed monarchy, Greeks practiced democracy, and Romans created a republic, each contributing different ideas of governance to the world. Question number two. How was the Persian Empire affected by the Greek civilization? Answer. The Persian Empire was greatly influenced by Greek civilizations after the conquests of Alexander the Great. When Alexander defeated the Persians, Greek culture, art, language, and learning spread across Persia. Greek ideas in architecture, sculpture, and administration mixed with Persian traditions. This blending of Greek and Eastern cultures created the Hellenistic civilization, which changed Persian society, art, and education. So, Greek influence made Persia more open to new ideas and cultural exchange. Question number three. What three major civilizations did the Persian Empire expand into? Answer. The Persian Empire was one of the largest empires in the ancient world. It expanded into three major regions of great civilizations. Number one, Mesopotamia, the land between the Tigris and the Euphrates rivers, Indus Valley, present-day Pakistan and northwestern India. Egypt, the land along the Nile River in Africa. By expanding into these areas, the Persian Empire united different cultures and peoples under one strong administration. Question number four. How were the Persian and Greek civilizations similar? Answer. The Persian and Greek civilization had several similarities despite their differences. Both made great progress in art, architecture, and learning. They had strong armies and fought many wars of expansion. Both valued honor, bravery, and leadership. Religion played an important role in both civilizations. They developed organized systems of government and inspired future societies. In short, Persians and Greeks were advanced, creative, and influential civilizations that shaped the course of a human society. अब है वो एक्स्ट्रा शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस जो मैंने खुद बनाए हैं. Short questions. Question number one. Who founded the Persian Empire? Answer. The Persian Empire was founded by Cyrus the Great in the 6th century BCE. Question number two. What was the religion of the Persians called? Answer. The Persians followed the Zoroastrian religion, which taught the difference between God and evil. Question number three. What were Persian provinces called? Answer. Persian provinces were called satrapies, each governed by a satrap governor. Question number four. Name two famous Greek city-states. Answer. The two famous Greek city-states were Athens and Sparta. Question number five. What type of government did Athens have? Answer. Athens had a democratic government where citizens could vote and participate in decision making. Question number six. Who was Alexander the Great? Answer. Alexander the Great was the king of Macedonia, Greece, and one of the greatest conquerors in history. Question number seven. When did Alexander begin his conquest of the Persian Empire? Answer. Alexander began his conquest of the Persian Empire in 334 BCE. Question number eight. What was the main public place in a Greek city called? Answer. The main public place in a Greek city was called the Agora, used for trade and public discussions. Question number 9. What form of government was established in Rome after the end of kings? Answer. After the end of kings, Rome became a republic where citizens elected their representatives. Question number 10. What was the purpose of the Olympic Games in ancient Greece? Answer. The Olympic Games were held to honor the god Zeus and to promote peace and unity among Greek states. अब है long question. Question number 1. Describe the formation and expansion of the Persian Empire. Answer. The Persian Empire was founded by Cyrus the Great in the 6th century BCE. He united the Medes and Persians and built a vast empire from India to Asia Minor. Persians ruled with justice and tolerance, allowing conquered people to keep their customs and religion. Later kings like Darius the First expanded the empire further and built roads and palaces to improve administration. The Persian Empire became famous for its strong government, trade, and architecture, especially the city of Persepolis. Question number 2. Compare the political systems of the Persian, Greek, and Roman civilizations. Answer. The Persians had a monarchy ruled by powerful kings who controlled vast provinces through satraps. The Greeks had city-states. Athens was democratic, while Sparta was ruled by kings and consuls. The Romans first had kings, then established a republic with the elected senate and the consuls, and later became an empire under emperors. Thus, Persians had monarchy, Greeks practiced democracy, and Roman developed a republican and imperial role. Question number 3. Write a note on the achievements of Greek civilization. Answer. The Greek civilization made great progress in art, philosophy, science, and politics. They introduced democracy in Athens and built beautiful temples like the Parthenon. Greek thinkers such as Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle made important contributions to learning and philosophy. They started the Olympic Games and valued education, discussion, and freedom. Greek culture influenced Europe, Asia, and Rome and continues to inspire the modern world. Question number 4. Explain how Rome developed into a republic and later an empire. Answer. Rome was first ruled by kings, but the people overthrew the last king, Tarquinius Superbus, in 509 BCE. Because of his cruelty, they then formed a republic where citizens elected senators and consuls to govern. This system worked well for centuries, and Rome expanded its territories through wars and trade. Later, due to power struggles and corruption, the republic changed into an empire under Augustus Caesar. In an empire, Rome became one of the greatest powers in ancient history. Question number 5. Compare the architecture of Persians, Greeks, and Romans. Answer. The Persians built grand palaces like Persepolis, decorated with carvings, pillars, and gardens, showing power and luxury. The Greeks built beautiful temples such as the Parthenon, using columns and symmetry for balance and beauty. The Romans were skilled engineers. They built roads, aqueducts, bridges, amphitheaters, and domes like the Pantheon, using arches and concrete. All three civilizations created lasting monuments that showed their art, skill, and cultural values. तो ये थे यूनिट नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स जो कि आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे। तो यहाँ पे ये मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है। तो ये क्वेश्चंस आंसर अगर आप लोगों को पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे मुझे आप लोग वॉइस मैसेज या टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा। फिर मैं आप लोगों को पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में ये क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स भेज दूंगा। यानी मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 0334824275। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे यूनिट नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स के साथ। उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।